everyone, welcome to this 8th edition of Renix. Renix 2024 is all set to open the doors of South India's renewable energy horizons. And today we are here at the stall of N Icon Solar for having an insightful conversation. Welcome to Renewable Mirror, sir.
Thank you.
So, sir, what is your take on ALMM?
ALMM has started, imposed from April 2024, where Indian manufacturer will get benefit now. Indian manufacturer will get a huge market where DCR panels would be sold rigorously, like from with a very strategic and very quality products will come in the market, and here India ALMM has focused in the inviting international players also to make in India, so you'll get more leverage and good market for Indian manufacturers after this ALMM.
Sir, according to you, how Make in India initiative is fueling India's renewable energy sector in positive ways?
Yeah, definitely. Like since like ALMM has been imposed again, like it will give a standard to the companies where they have to stick with the adhere with the standard operations. Apart from that, a new portal has been launched for the DCR where they can track the DCR panels also, like with the quality and where the panels are going, that way. So now we can track panels, as well as it is also giving boost and giving motivation to the Indian players. Now we can easily work for the DCR. So quality wise and talking about the customer satisfaction, this is a good time when ALMM has been imposed to India.
Sir, can you please give us an overview of N Icon Solar's market presence and how Renix 2024 is helping N Icon Solar to evolving in the southern Indian states part?
Yeah, sure. Icon Solar is now 10 years old now. And when we started with small watt picks. Now we are looking for 1.8 gigawatt of factory in coming time. So we had expanded a lot. Secondly, we have developed our product with a pure quality, and the second part was the customer satisfaction. We are working rigorously to find what issues were customer, if any issues facing. So we try to resolve in a very small TAT. This is a turnaround time. So this is about me. Now our ambition, you were saying, like we came up with a new technology which is N-type TOPCon, and by that we feel like the market is growing and very good opportunity for us as well as for the other players of the solar industry.
So, would you like to convey any special message to your customer that are visiting your stall at Renix 2024?
Yeah, like our products are very good with good service, and it's a good wattage and performance. This is so it's people are looking out for the quality products. So our products are good in that, as well as we also give the service. Apart from that, now this is a time when India is shifting towards renewable energy. Even our Prime Minister has also conveyed about move to Bijli Ghar Yojana. So every residential, in retail side, every residential should have solar panels, solar energy in their rooftop, which will give support to the grid. Secondly, now big market, the IPPs and mega plants, there also opportunities are too high because open access rates and also we keep on revising. So it's a very good market for renewable energy. Let us target for 2030 what we have, 500 gigawatt, we will achieve that.